Look, here comes the letter A. It says A. A is for ambulance. Look, here comes the letter B. It says B. B is for bus.
Here comes the letter C. It says C is for race car.
Look, here comes the letter D. It says D. D. D is for dump truck.
Look, here comes the letter E. It says E. E is for excavator.
Look, here comes the letter F. It says F. F is for fire truck. Look, here comes the letter G. It says G. G. G is for garbage truck.
Here comes the letter H. It says H is for helicopter. Here comes the letter I. It says I is for ice cream truck.
Look, here comes the letter J. It says J. J. J is for Jeep.
Oh, look, here comes the letter K. It says K. K is for cart. Let's go. Here comes the letter L. It says Loo. L is for limousine.
Look, here comes the letter M. It says motorcycle.
Look, here comes the letter N. It says N. N is for news van.
Look, here comes the letter O. It says O. O is for oil tanker. Look, here comes the letter P. It says P. P is for police car.
Look, here comes the letter Q. It says Q is for quad bike.
Look, here comes the letter R. It says R is for road roller. Look, here comes the letter S. It says S is for scooter. Look, here comes the letter T. It says T. T is for tractor. Look, here comes the letter U. It says U. U is for unicycle. Look, here comes the letter V. It says V. V is for van.
Look, here comes the letter W. It says W is for wagon. Here comes the letter X. It says KS. X is for explorer.
Look, here comes the letter Y. It says yeah. Y is for yellow taxi. Look, here comes the letter Z. It says Z is for Zamboni.